EasyTadelakt Lime Stucco. In this video we show a simple application way to obtain, for example, a textured marble appearance to simulate a natural stone. This stucco is suitable for all techniques and to create all kinds of finishes, for interiors and exteriors, since it is extremely resistant. This stucco is breathable, washable and waterproof. First we have removed a small amount of stucco from the cube and mixed it roughly with a powdered pigment. We apply a first layer as a base on a flat background, preferably absorbent and mineral. In this case, for this example, we use a ceramic tile. We apply this first layer in all directions, covering the entire surface and let it dry. In this first layer, the details do not matter, you just have to cover the entire background evenly to create a base layer. Once the first coat has dried, we apply a second coat in all directions to even out the surface and achieve a perfectly flat surface. The dry layers can also be sanded without problems, this depends on the fineness and the effect to be obtained. The versatility of this stucco is endless. The important thing is to work on at least 2 layers of background. We also let this second layer dry. Drying between coats usually takes between 20 and 40 minutes depending on environmental conditions. Now we apply a third layer in which we are going to create the desired effect. We only let this layer dry for a few minutes and smoothed it out a bit with the edge of the stucco trowel without applying too much pressure, before continuing to apply the desired effect. Top coat effects are applied wet on wet. In this case we apply uncolored stucco with a sponge and brush to create a marble effect. In this phase we can freely create the effects that we can think of, or even add several different colors or effects. When we have finished creating the desired effect, we can start smoothing. In order not to create too much relief, do not let a lot of time pass until you smooth the pattern. When smoothing, do not apply too much pressure or go over the same area too many times. If we are satisfied with the effect, we can now let the stucco dry completely to apply wax. In this case we apply a first layer of the special EasyTadelakt wax with circular movements, and let it dry. Then we remove the dry layer with a soft cloth and apply a second layer of wax. When this layer has dried, we can begin to remove the dry product and polish until obtaining the desired shine. The result is a surface made to last, ultra-resistant to bumps, scratches and inclement weather. It is always advisable to train the technique to be used on small surfaces, as we have done in this video. Well, now there is nothing that can stop your creativity.